Alright, hello and welcome to this lesson where we're going to just quickly touch on different ways that we can attempt to make money from creating icon sets. So the obvious way would be to, if you're new to designing icons, I would definitely try to create some icons, whether it be for free or just out of thin air, so you can get some experience and be able to put something up at your portfolio, assuming you have one, and then offer icon design as a service to potential clients. Now, that's the no-brainer way to make money with it, but if you're really interested and you're good at icon design, then there are a couple other ways that you can make money. So I wanted to touch on that just a little bit. So GraphicRiver.net, that's an Envato network website where you can sell different graphic assets, and we see one of those here is icons. And this is a large website. It gets a lot of traffic here. So there's definitely a potential to make money by selling icons and uploading them here. So real quickly, we can see through the marketplace, if we sort this by sales, then we could see some of these designers have made quite a bit of money selling these icons. This one here is like $18 and they've had nearly 1,000 sales. So this is definitely something that you can make money doing by uploading to Graphic River. Another large site is Icon Finder. They recently launched a marketplace in which you can upload icons here. Right here they give you all the specifications that you need to mine in order to get them approved. And then finally another way, and I touched on this a little bit in my previous course, about how you can use the power of search engines in order to make money by selling stuff. So for example, we have here for Google AdWords, there's something called the keyword planner. And what we would do, for example, so let's say we want to try to make a flat icon set. We'll just go ahead and type flat icons, or something that someone is most likely to search in Google or any search engine that is likely to land on what we're trying to provide, which would be flat icons. So flat icon set, maybe you'll type in icon set, and these are just a couple keywords that will give us a much larger list. So if we hit get ideas and go to keyword ideas, it lists out all of these potential keywords. So the ones that we specified, it shows that we have kind of a low average monthly searches, and this is just an estimation, around 110 for flat icon and 720. And it also gives you a suggested bid if you wanted to use Google AdWords, the paid advertising method. But right here, average monthly search for icon sets plural, 1,600. Flat icons, we have 1,000 searches. So what I'm getting at is, if you can learn how to try to attempt to rank high for these keywords like flat icons, after you create the set and get it up and ready to sell, then you can get a decent amount of traffic and potentially start getting some sales. So obviously at first, if you just have a few icon sets that are out there, whether it be through Graphic River or this site or any other site, or you're actually ranking on AdWords or Google, the search engines at least, you can start to see some initial monthly income. But if you keep on creating, you keep at it, your monthly income will start to increase, just by creating icons. And the reason this is obviously important is just to diversify the ways in which you're able to make money. So always being able to make money through client work is important, but being able to have some monthly residual income is great, so that you're not always on the fight to try to find clients, assuming you're a freelancer. But regardless of whether or not you're working for a company as a designer or you're a freelancer, it's always important and desirable, obviously, to be able to make money in different ways. So this is just one of them. With that said, we're going to go ahead and conclude the course in the next lesson. All right, I'll see you then.